Dust on the patties crack like an old man's hands. Jars in the courtyard empty, smoke tracing silent sands. One bowl of cloudy water shared by fire, we turn away. Mothers hide their trembling, fathers bow but cannot pray. Hear us, Sejong, wind you up on your mountain throne. We are your fields of hunger, we are your skin and bone. If our small voices gather, even stone will hear. Let this song climb the sky, carry our hearts to your ear. Rain, oh, rain for Joseon, fall on every home. Rain, oh, rain for Joseon, teach us hope together. At dusk by the Zilkova, drum on an earthen pot. Old monk hums the sutra, children forget their drought. Lanterns like tiny planets glow in the dusty air. One girl starts the calling, one boy answers a prayer. Hear us, Sejong, wind you up on your mountain throne. We are your fields of hunger, we are your skin and bone. If our small voices gather, even stone will hear. Let this song climb the sky, carry our hearts to your ear. Rain, oh, rain for Joseon, fall on every home. Rain, oh, rain for Joseon, teach us hope together, we are never alone. First comes a shiver of wind, then one dark drop on the road, then many, then too many to count. We shout your name through the overflow. Hey, hey. Old roofs begin to shimmer, mud finds the feet of the trees. We thought you lived in the palace, but you are sung into the breeze. Hear us, Sejong, wind you now, do you hear us sing? Ditches run wild with silver, every stone wears a ring. All our small voices gather, turn dust into clear. All our small broken hearts climb the sky to your ear. Rain, sweet rain for Joseon, laughing over the loam. Rain, sweet rain for Joseon, hope is falling with her. Rain, sweet rain for Joseon, hands all joined as one. Rain, sweet rain for Joseon, when we hope together, any drought is done.